Hello. Welcome to today's training on the Countif formula in Microsoft Excel. In this training, you will learn how to utilize the Countif function and understand when to use it. Now, let's get started.
The Countif formula is designed to count specific criteria in a data range. In this example, the formula counts how many action items are incomplete. There are several other ways to utilize the function as well.
Now, let's take a deeper dive into the Countif formula. In this example, we are going to count how many action items are complete. To start, type the equals sign, and then Countif with no spaces. Enter a parenthesis, and select the data you want analyzed. Next, type a comma, and enter the criteria. In this example, we are typing quotation marks, the word complete, and quotation marks. Lastly, type another parenthesis and click Enter. As you can see, the number of complete statuses is now listed. A great function of Countif is that if any of the statuses change to complete, the formula will automatically update.
Next, let's look at another way to utilize the Countif formula. In this example, we are analyzing people's ages. We are wanting to know how many people are younger than 50 and older than 37. Notice that we start the equation out the same by entering equals Countif and selecting the range, but in between the quotes we use the less than symbol and the number 50. We do the same for the older than 37 equation, except we use the greater than symbol.
Now let's look at Countif from a different view. In this example, Countif is counting the number of blank cells. Do this by entering two quotation marks right next to each other without any spaces or characters in between them.
Thank you for watching the Countif training video. If you would like to see more Excel training videos like this, please leave a note in the comments. Have a great day.